D-Boy, and two, what's your name, little girl? Okay, hello, Hurley. Basa kaayo ko. Ano siya nako? Basa kaayo ka. Okay, so, D-Boy, what's her name?
Hurley.
Hurley, okay. So, si Hurley o si D-Boy ang first persons in front. So, I will whisper words to them, and then D-Boy, you will whisper the word that I will whisper to you to him. Imong-ihumong niya akong isulti, ha? Okay. Tapos si Hurley po, ihumungin mo niya ang akong isulti nimo, ha? Hurley. Okay, nakasinabot na nag-boy me. Sige, start na ta! Ready? Yes or no?
Yes!
Okay, sige. First word, ihonghong na ako. Then when I say go, mag-start na dayon of relay. And then the first person on the back, or the last person will run to me and whisper me the word correctly, ha? Sige. Okay, sige. Akong i-whisper, ha? Okay, whisper, go! Okay, so this group whispered the word first, but they whispered the wrong word. I whispered the name of the celebrant, D-Boy. And then D-Boy told the person behind him, Ate. Okay. Wrong! Dili mao, no? Okay, so are we going to play the game again?
Yes!
Okay, yes daw. Sige, second round. Now, we will switch persons. Ang nanapot sa second place, mo'y mo, and he's sa front. Sige. Sige. Change, okay? Okay, ready for the second round?
Yes!
Okay, so I will now whisper the word. Okay, to Joey. Go! Okay, both groups got the correct word. Yay! But the question is, who whispered to me first? Okay, this group. Okay. So we have 1 point for this group. Okay. Second round. Are you ready for the second round? Okay. So this time, the third person will be on the first line. Sige. Dali. Ikaw na po dari. Si Shello o we have Rika. Wow, we have the same name. Okay. Sige, hong. Okay. Do you both know what to do already? Okay. So I will now whisper the word. This group has 1 point and the other has 0 still. So, but you can still chase the scores. Okay. Now, I will whisper. Go! Okay, both groups got the correct answer. Okay, but who whispered to me first? This group. Okay, so I think we will now proceed to round 3. Okay. The next person or the fourth person will be on the first place. Sige,